Okay, welcome back. This is another case that we had an opportunity to do just a few days ago. This is a really good case. Enjoyed doing this one. Let me give you a little bit of background on this patient. Mother of 6, great lady, very nice, very pleasant to work with. She had been through some challenges in the past with regard to restoring, fixing her teeth. She had a lot of little patched up fillings, patched and repatched and then repatched again. So basically the plan is over time, of course over the next couple of months, we're going to go ahead and redo all of those teeth that have multiple fillings and are justifiably needing attention with crowns. So we started with her anteriors, her smile, necessitating crowns. So basically what's going on here is you can see me outlining the crown preps. And like I always say, anytime you start to do these, reevaluate your cases and present them online and such, you notice how imperfect everything is. Be patient with me. I'm certainly not perfect. So a couple of thoughts for you regarding this case again. I usually take biocopy images before I start a case, just so I can show the patient what they look like now versus what they look like after the fact, before and after, so to speak. You can see I'm using the grid function here, which is you press Control G, it'll bring up a grid. You can also access that through I believe it's the Analyzing Tools menu pull down. So we went through, we prepped everything, we left that crown on tooth number 10 intact. You can see me overlaying the biocopy image with the minimal thickness. Here I'm double checking to see where my parameter settings are. Normally my minimal thickness that I want for Emax is 1.0 millimeters, as long as it's bonded. On molars I shoot for 1.5. But generally this case went really smoothly. We didn't have any significant challenges with this case. It required a lot of adjusting after the fact, and so the next set that I think we're going to do is down in the lower front, just to accommodate the occlusion. You'll see the red markings on the lingual of those upper teeth. But generally went very well. She was very happy with the aesthetic outcome, and I'll put a couple of pictures in here to show you how things turned out at the end. So you can see me changing there a couple of settings, a couple of the parameter settings, altering the minimal thickness so that it displays the way I prefer it. This Cerec unit, incidentally, is we had to replace the hard drive, so some of the settings have been updated to what I normally prefer. Anyway, this case was a great case, good opportunity to serve this patient. We did this case using Vita Mark II blocks. It took about, I want to say 3 hours before we started bonding things in, so she was here about 3.5 hours, 4 hours. And we did spend quite a bit of time adjusting, and I think she'll need some more adjusting. The bicuspid on tooth number 5 also had a very, very deep spot. She had a tall pulp horn, and so we discussed the potential need for a root canal in the future, depending on her post-operative outcome. But generally the case went really well. She was very happy with it. Her gums are really inflamed, very, very upset. A lot of that could certainly have to do with the work that we did, but she had some significant gingivitis before. So here's the final outcome. Again, thank you for spending the time to watch this video. If you like these videos, please like them and then share them, and subscribe if you like. There's a lot of value in having subscribers. That allows us to do more videos for you. So thanks for watching again. I will go ahead and continue on with this series as we do more makeovers, and hopefully it'll be valuable to you. Okay? Thank you.